Hiya, Tracy here from Macna House, having a nice lovely coffee. We're here to do a quick unboxing. Let me put my coffee down. Because it's a hot and cool fan by Vortex. So it isn't going to be a super long. We'll unbox it. I've bought it ready for winter, just in case my heating goes wrong. I thought about doing the more expensive one that's out there, but I thought, let's give the Vortex Airflow a go because it's half the price. I got it for 160 quid here in the UK. And I thought, let's give it a go. Let's unbox it, get it plugged in, try the fan out, see what that's like. And then we might run the heat on it in a room for an hour, and I might sort of have a quick look at my smart meter before and after that hour to see what the sort of cost is to run it for an hour. So let's get it unboxed. Oh no, let me have a sip of coffee. Coffee first. Yummy. Okay. Super quick this one, but I thought let's show it because there might be other people out there doing what I was doing. I was trying to decide whether I go for that expensive one that's out there or do I go for this one. And I thought, if I'm wondering about that, other people are too. But I think the expensive one is like £400, and this one I got it in at 160. So let's see if I wasted my money. I'm not. Now I looked on the site and it comes in many sort of different colours around the blade, but I could only find it in white, silver, graphite, and then I found it in this gold. She's big. Let's get everything out of the box. Okay, so that is the quickest unboxing ever, isn't it? Because it's a fan. Okay, what have we done here? Oh, the remote control. Let's take that out. Want that. And we've got a user manual. Okay. It's quite a nice feeling. You know, some of them feel a bit sort of thin and cheap, but it feels quite nice in the hand. Lots of plastic wrap. Gotta try and get in. Blimey, I don't think there was any need to plastic wrap it up to this degree. I've got to lay it down. It's all wrapped around the cord really tightly. I mean, really tightly. I don't think they needed to do that. It's a little bit extreme. Okay. Now, I think I'm going to get scissors maybe. I don't want to cut the cord. Okay. I got it off. Let's stand it back up. Okay. That's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. I mean, my hands don't go all the way around. It's got no gold bladeless. Ooh, okay. Nice. like the gold. The gold's quite nice. Do not touch. I assume that gets hot. The cord is, it's not overly long and it's not overly short. It's about right, really. Super chunky cord. Right, let's plug it in just to try the actual cold fan. Now, what's that? So you slide, does it do? Okay, so that is, you got a little, let me turn it sideways. Got a little switch here, and I clicked it, and I assume you do the other side, and that's where your HEPA filter goes, in there. Because this is a filter system as well, which I thought if I'm getting a hot and cool fan, I might as well get the one that has the filter. That clicks in and out easy. That's good. Right. I've just plugged it in. What we got here? We've got a plastic pull-out for the battery. And we've got on, off, timer, speed. I thought I could do it buzzing. Hot wind, sway, hot and cool. So, put it on. So that is, let's turn the speed up, 2, 3, does it go 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, we're at 10. How many? Okay, we're on 10. Let's put a sway on it, shall we? Oh, the whole thing does the turn. This is level 10. You can see by my hair, it's not overly powerful. Turn the sway off a minute. Let's... Oh, 10 is the highest. So... it's nice. So I assume this is it a ceramic fan? This must be. But it's, don't touch that, it says in there, because that must get hot. Okay. Well, I can't see that you'd put it on anything other than level 10, to be honest. But the idea is to cool the room down. So you would put it on and leave it. I really like the look of it. Okay. I think it's time. Turn it off. I'm going to take it into where my smart meter is. We'll take a quick video of what the smart meter says now. Then I'll come back in here, switch it on and leave it on hot for an hour. And we'll see how much it eats on the electricity. Right. Okay, we're where my smart meter is. Wake up. And that's what it says. £1.14 electricity costs so far today. We'll be back in an hour. Right, let's have a close look of the, you see that it's got, there's the sway button. You have to hit hot or cold, and then you've got 3 levels of heat. I've got it on H1. And it is nice and warm hitting my face. Nice and warm hitting the face. So, we'll leave that running. And we'll check in on the we'll check back in on it in an hour's time and check the smart meter. So we're doing the Vortex Air Fan Hot and Cool Heater. It is a TP09 1 Pro Air Purifier. This one is white gold and it reckons it weighs about 5 kilo, which is probably about right. Okay, it's been an hour. The heater's still on. Let's turn the heater off. Ooh. So heater off. Let's go and see the smart meter. And that's what it now says. £1.72. We're in my little study. And the next test is I'm in a little room. It's about 10 foot by 9 foot, something like that. And I'm going to put the heat on and see how long it takes to get it nice and warm in here. So I've just put it on. Let's I'm gonna get the speed up. So that's on fan and I want it on hot. So it's come out and it's on hot 3. I can feel the warmth now on it. And I'm gonna click high. And I'm gonna set a time of 1 hour, which has just gone on that. Oh, it's nice and warm. Let's put it on sway. My PC won't like the heat. I might have to sway it away from my PC. Right, checking in an hour. Okay, it's been an hour and I've had the heater on, the Vortex, and the room is so nice and toasty. It's really lush in here. I like it. It's a thumbs up from me. So that's as quick and easy as an unboxing and a little test and review that I can give. Thumbs up. I love it. I've had a few problems with my heating system, so to have this on standby is going to be bliss. And this little study is lovely and warm. So catch you on the next one. Bye. Be good.